This 2022 Grand Design Solitude 345 GKR is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This used Grand Design is 37 feet 2 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 4, LP Detector, air conditioning, Colorado Detector, spare tire kit, oven, water heater, refrigerator, Skylight, auxiliary battery, awning, and 93 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Solitude 345 GKR is 13,320 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.